How much longer do you think it's going to take, Anna?
I think only 15 more minutes. We just need to do your hair.
Makeup's done?
Makeup is done.
All right, okay.
Oh, actually, we don't need 15 minutes. Your hair is already done. Did you do something different?
I actually did. It's the new Batiste Instant Hair Refresh. It makes such a difference.
Oh, wow. I'm really going to add this product in my kit. This is really going to save a lot of time.
It is. Let's go. Hello and welcome to Sensodyne Presents In the Spotlight Season 2, powered by Nair in association with Panadol Migraine. मेरा नाम है करिश्मा and आज शो पर बड़ी दिलचस्प बातचीत होने वाली है about social media influencers. Every second, third person on our feed literally has millions or hundreds of thousands of followers. लेकिन ये कोई आसान काम नहीं है. You have to always remain relevant, always remain on top of your game. And to tell us how she pulls it all off, we have award-winning Dubai-based social media influencer Priyanka Chadha.
Hi Karishma, you look absolutely stunning.
Thank you so much. Welcome to the show. Welcome to In the Spotlight, Priyanka.
Thank you so much, Karishma. Thank you.
आज मुझे लग रहा है कि we're going to actually find out काफी सारी दिलचस्प चीजें about you, and I think you've got one of those very important stories to tell जो कि सब सपना देखते हैं लेकिन सबका पूरा नहीं होता लेकिन you've actually made your dream come true.
Touch wood.
So congratulations on the achievements
Thank
that
you.
you've already accomplished and जो आप आगे करने वाले हो we can't even imagine. शुरुआत से शुरू करते हैं. So आप originally कहाँ से हो प्रियंका?
So I'm born and raised from Delhi.
दिल्ली में आप मम्मी डैडी के साथ नहीं रहते थे ज़्यादा, आप अपने नाना जी के घर पे रहते थे. तो ये कैसे हुआ?
My mom and dad was working, तो मुझे नानू के नानी के पास छोड़ जाते थे, तो तभी से ही I was staying with my नानू only.
तो आपका दिल उनके साथ था, लग गया था.
बचपन से उन्होंने मुझे पाल पोस के बड़ा किया, तो उसके बाद I was the caretaker for him.
तो क्या बोलते हो आप अपने नाना जी को?
डैडी.
उनको डैडी बुलाते थे?
Yeah, he was everything for me. My mom, dad, sister, brother, सबका प्यार उन्होंने दिया.
तो सबसे बड़ी लाइफ में अगर आपके लिए कोई अगर एक इन्फ्लुएंस सबसे बड़ा कोई रहा है तो
my dad, absolutely. He was the only and only one. Yeah.
Okay.
That was a little emotional.
I know, I can see you tearing up.
No, it's fine.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
अच्छा, मैं आपसे जानना चाहती हूँ कि आप दिल्ली में पले बड़े ग्रो हुए, फिर दुबई में आना कब कैसे हुआ?
So it was I had an incredible opportunity when I was working. So I got an opportunity to work with MR 3 years back, which brought me to Dubai.
Right.
And that was a moment, since then I haven't looked back. And as a content creator, I also got numerous opportunities for the collaboration, a lot of campaigns I got in Dubai, which I'm always thankful and grateful for.
तो 3 सालों में आकर के you managed to win a Filmfare Award also. This is absolutely unheard of.
I think God has been always kind, touchful.
Yeah, it's literally, you came, you saw, you conquered. That's it. So congratulations. ये Filmfare Award का scene क्या है? कैसे हुआ? ये बताओ.
To be very honest, I haven't imagined. That was a normal day for me. मैं ऑफिस से एक मीटिंग खत्म करके I was just because I was having an invite, I thought नहीं यार it's a big thing because I've been nominated. तो मुझे जाना है. At least I'll capture that moment because my name and my picture will be on the big screen.
तो जब वो nominees announce करेंगे,
Absolutely.
तो उसमें प्रियंका चड्ढा का नाम आएगा, फोटो आएगी,
I will capture
आएगा,
that.
तो you will take a video
and I will post on my social media. यही mindset था.
तो ऑफिस से आप पहुंचते हो awards पर.
Yeah.
What happens there?
उसके बाद I was just जब मेरा नाम आया nominees का हुआ तो मैंने कहा चलो यार I'll just take a picture and I was just recording. I remember that moment and they said the award goes to Priyanka Chadha. I was like, and trust me on this, my hands were shivering.
What was that thing that you were thinking जो आपको पहली बार एहसास हुआ कि आप स्टेज पे खड़े हो, आपको इतना बड़ा ऑनर मिल रहा है? What was going on in your mind?
Numb. Trust me, I was very numb because see, I was not at all prepared. Mind में था ही नहीं ना, तो I was very numb.
So it took a while to sink in.
To digest it, yes.
है ना?
Yes.
सबसे पहले किसको फोन करके बताया?
Husband को, for sure. I was saying, मतलब I really wanted that moment. I wanted my husband, should be there. I wish he would be there for me.
Yeah.
But because I was thinking, because I told you I was not prepared for that, but he was not there, so I just immediately called Deepam. Look, I remember I did a video call. I showed him the trophy.
So this was in 2023.
Yeah, last year.
तो अब फिल्म फेयर वालों को बोल दें कि प्लीज हमारी प्रियंका को एक और मौका दो, इस बार वो अच्छे से प्रिपेयर होके आएगी, फैमिली के साथ आएगी. But congratulations.
Thank you very much.
हमें ये बताओ प्रियंका, now if there's somebody who's on that journey and who's hoping for that 100K hit करना है, you know, अपना career बनाना है, grow करना है social media पे, उनके लिए what are some learnings that you can share having reached where you've come?
It's a long journey. Be humble, be kind. This is very important because I think you won't, stay fresh forever. So this is my thing, like, because एक time होता है when you get lot of achievements ना, तो एक कहीं ना कहीं एक थोड़ा सा एक mind में आ जाता है, oh, I am a big person now. But I think you should be very humble on this thing.
तो ये fashion और lifestyle तो आपका social media पे आपकी interests हैं अब, है ना? But professionally आप real estate में हो. So have you used your social media to boost your real estate career or vice versa?
Honestly, never.
No.
Because that's my professional thing. That's my bread and butter. And this is my passion. So I wanted to make it, different.
So real estate in itself is a huge thing on social media, especially in Dubai, right?
True.
आपने have you learned any social media tips from that you apply here to your passion project? Because a lot of people just go in to do, ये देखो, and that's it. Those videos go insanely viral today.
Yeah, that's why I already mentioned that I never used real estate into my lifestyle fashion content because my niche are completely different. So maybe in the future, if I want to, I will make a separate page for that. I think that would be better. I don't want to mix everything all together.
Makes sense. Chaliye, we'll stick to fashion now. I want you to answer some rapid fire questions.
Okay.
All right. So the first thing that comes to your mind, you got to shoot that at me. कोई एक style आपके हिसाब से that's never gonna go out of trend. What's that gonna be?
I think joggers.
Joggers.
You can actually style it with your spaghetti. You can have a loose shirt. Anything.
Nice. Perfect. All right. कोई एक fashion designer पूरी की पूरी दुनिया में जो best हैं आपके हिसाब से वो कौन होंगे?
I think Tarun
Tahiliani.
Yeah, I love it.
कोई भी आपके fashion tips जो कि बहुत viral हुए हैं आपके page पे that you can share here with us. What would they be?
So I made one get ready with me, wherein I made a professional office look because a lot of मेरी जितनी भी niche है, there are a lot of people are office going girls and all. So I think मेरा वो वाला content wherein I'm styling myself like going for a work wear, that got really viral.
प्रियंका, आपको कोई खास चीज़ है जो वर्क प्लेस पे हेडेक्स देती है?
ब्रांड्स की डेडलाइन.
And daily life में what gives you headaches?
दुबई की गर्मी.
This is well said, and I have to say, if you have headaches and if you have, a lot of symptoms associated with headaches that are related to migraine, then you need to hear this. Migraine symptoms may vary, but often start on one side of the head along with pulsating or throbbing pain. This can be combined with nausea, vomiting, and sensitivity to light and sound. The answer to this is Panadol Migraine. It contains acetyl salicylic acid, paracetamol, and therapeutically active caffeine, and it helps to treat headaches related to migraine, sinusitis, and even toothache. आपने जिक्र किया अभी थोड़ी देर पहले अपने husband का. You missed him at the Filmfare Awards.
Yeah.
You feel like he should have been there. Tonight here on In the Spotlight, we're not going to let you miss him. He's going to be joining us very, very soon. So make sure you stick around to In the Spotlight, जहाँ आगे हम मिलने वाले हैं इनके बड़े special husband से भी, और साथ के साथ we're going to get these two to reveal some inside stories of their marriage and how competitive they are. ये तो हम पता करेंगे ही. So stick around to In the Spotlight. Welcome back to Sensodyne Presents In the Spotlight Season 2, powered by Nair in association with Panadol Migraine. हमारी बातचीत अब तक चली है with Priyanka, and now Priyanka के बड़े प्यारे से husband Deepam is on the show. Deepam, welcome to In the Spotlight.
Thank you so much for having me.
This is your first appearance together as a couple. This is your first appearance also, and आपके लिए भी, and together as a couple also. It's a very special thing for us. Thank you for coming to the show.
Thank you so much for having me.
आप क्या करते हैं दीपम?
Well, I'm a technical consultant. I work for an automobile company within Dubai, and my job is mostly regarding some part of technical, some business. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So दुबई में कुछ साल पहले आप single expat थे, and then आपको मिली एक प्रोफाइल एक ऐप पर एक दिन, वहाँ से आप लोगों का किस्सा शुरू हुआ. You guys met online and then you guys met in person.
Yes.
Immediately उसके I think 6 महीने के अंदर आपका रोका भी हो गया था.
And we got married. Yeah.
And you got married.
Yes.
Beautiful. तो अभी शादी को कितना वक्त हुआ है?
2 साल.
2 years.
Yeah.
तो you know, just for people who think कि 2 साल तो अभी हनीमून फेज ही चल रहा होता है, बताइए, क्लैरिफाई कीजिए, हनीमून फेज चल रहा है या खत्म हो चुका है?
आई थिंक हनीमून फेज 2-3 महीने का ही रहता है.
It depends on day. Different days, different experience.
true.
अच्छा, तो आप आज का दिन कौन सा एक्सपीरियंस है आपका?
Well, I would say it's pretty good. So far so good. रात को घर जाके मुझे नहीं पता क्या होगा.
लड़ाई नहीं होती उस दिन बहुत
तो इसके बाद जो हम गेम्स खेलने वाले हैं उसमें कुछ भी हो सकता है.
Right.
You're ready for that?
Yes.
Alright. अच्छा, ये बताइए कि आप दीपम जब आप मिले प्रियंका से, तो वो सोशल मीडिया इन्फ्लुएंसर थी, ये जान करके आपका क्या उस पर रिएक्शन था? आपका नॉर्मल कि ठीक है, ओके, या इट टुक यू सम टाइम टू गेट यूज्ड टू इट?
Well, I was pretty normal in the beginning. But again, there were a lot of surprises because I was not very used to of this kind of lifestyle, content creation and taking videos, photos all the time. So, yeah, I learned a lot.
क्या सीखा आपने?
Patience. Patience.
कि खाना सीधा खा नहीं सकते.
हाँ पहले.
हाँ.
And choose your battles wisely.
अच्छा. But what is something जो आपको
gonna kill me.
benefit भी हुआ है because of her being an influencer?
Well, a lot of free experiences, right? And a lot
Benefits तो बहुत हुए हैं.
yeah, I am a big time foodie, so I get to eat a lot of good food.
Yeah,
Right.
that's great.
Yeah. So I would say pictures लेनी भी पड़े, I'm okay with it as long as I'm getting good food. So yeah, I mean, it has been really great.
चलो, इतना तो मतलब एज अ हस्बैंड अब आपका कंट्रीब्यूशन भी है इन हर करियर, दैट्स समथिंग यू हैव टू एक्सेप्ट. चलिए, एक और चीज है जो एक्सेप्ट करनी पड़ेगी किसी ना किसी को आप दोनों में से, एंड दैट इज डिफीट. And that's going to happen when we start playing the games that we have lined up for you next on the show. आप दोनों में से ज्यादा competitive कौन है?
दोनों ही हैं.
Sore loser, बहुत बुरा loser कौन है? दोनों ही हैं?
कोई नहीं है.
I mean, if I have to name one, I would name myself. Yeah.
अरे वाह, gracious of him.
ये सिर्फ आज है, घर पे नहीं.
चलिए देखते हैं what happens next. We have some fantastic games lined up. Let's go for it.
Wow.
आप दोनों से हमने कुछ सवाल पूछे थे, and that was all for our very first game on the show, जिसका नाम है Two Lies and a Truth. मेरे पास इस वक्त प्रियंका को पूछे हुए टॉपिक्स एक्चुअली मेरे सामने हैं. सो दीपम, यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई द ट्रूथ फ्रॉम द लाइज. प्रियंका को हमने जो 3 कैटेगरीज दी थी उनमें से पहली कैटेगरी है फूड. ये रहे उनके 3 स्टेटमेंट्स, एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड द सच फ्रॉम द झूठ. ठीक है? So पहले वो कहती हैं she likes Japanese over Chinese. Second statement, she likes tea more than coffee and she loves gobi parathas. क्या है इसमें से सच?
Japanese over Chinese, any day.
प्रियंका की झूठ बोलने की ये कौन से लेवल का झूठ बोला है फिर प्रियंका आपने?
पति है ना, तो सब सच पता ही होगा.
But you need to make it hard for him. I hope आगे आपने वो किया है.
I could, yeah.
Alright. चलिए, आपकी अगली कैटेगरी थी likes and dislikes, जिसमें प्रियंका ने कहा दीपम उनकी फेवरेट हॉबी है शॉपिंग. उनको जो चीज़ बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है इज रिप्लाइंग टू कॉर्पोरेट ईमेल्स. एंड शी सेज शी लव्स ट्रैवलिंग. उनकी फेवरेट हॉबी ट्रैवलिंग भी है.
I think traveling.
सच है.
सच है.
और बाकी झूठ है. Well, finally प्रियंका, you made it happen. हस्बैंड को कंफ्यूज कर दिया आपने. कहती है उनकी एक्चुअल जो फेवरेट हॉबी है वो शॉपिंग है, बाकी ये पूरा ही झूठ बोल रही होती है. Alright, इनकी फाइनल कैटेगरी दीपम, एडवेंचर एंड एक्सपीरियंस. ठीक है? अब इनके 3 स्टेटमेंट्स. She loved every second of paragliding in Switzerland. She, during a random dinner with friends, made a plan to go to Shimla. And she loves the vacation that you both had in Maldives.
The first one.
The first one,
Paragliding.
Paragliding in Switzerland, बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आई उनको. And that's actually a lie. The truth is that she made a random, sudden plan to go to Shimla with her friends over dinner.
Multiple times I told you about the Shimla trip.
And I listened.
अच्छा चलिए दीपम, आपका स्कोर है फिलहाल 1 out of 3. Alright? चलिए. फूड इनकी भी फर्स्ट कैटेगरी है, एंड ही सेज ही हेट्स तरबूज यानी कि वाटरमेलन्स.
Okay.
He loves Chinese and he likes sushi.
The second one.
कि इनकी फेवरेट क्विजीन चाइनीज है. दीपम खुद ही हंस रहे हैं कि मेरी बीवी को ये तक नहीं पता मेरे को खाना क्या पसंद है.
Chinese ही तो पसंद है.
I hate watermelon.
जो
I don't
सच
eat
था,
watermelon.
जो सच था वो
बट ये भी सच है, ये चीटिंग है.
ये इन्होंने दूसरा खेल लिया, इन्होंने टू ट्रूथ एंड अ लाई खेल लिया. चलिए,
This is very
I
confusing.
can't give you that point. Sports पे अब आते हैं. He says that he used to be an avid football fan. He's played table tennis a lot as a kid, and he says that उन्होंने एक 100-meter track race भी खेली है, run किया है at district level.
Second one.
Second one is TT खेला है बहुत बचपन में.
हाँ.
ये भी झूठ है इनका.
ये भी झूठ है.
हाँ. Now all you can do is tie with him, एक पॉइंट कमा करके. सच ये था कि इन्होंने ट्रैक रेस किया है, हीट्स की हैं 100 मीटर्स की एज डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल पे. देखो मुंह देखो उनका.
मुझे नहीं पता मेरे हस्बैंड मुझसे इतना झूठ बोलते हैं.
I told you.
Alright, final मौका प्रियंका.
Okay.
To equal the score. Adventures and experiences. Favorite experience has been scuba diving. He's taken a spontaneous flight to Goa. Airport counter पे जाके decide किया और चले गए गोवा.
हाँ, ये सच है.
And he's betted on horse racing.
I think the second one.
गोवा वाला.
ये सच है.
ये सच है और ये सच है. डोंट चेंज योर माइंड, ज्यादा मत सोचना.
ये सच है क्योंकि
ये पॉइंट आपकी है, ये भी सच है.
इसका आधा मिलना चाहिए. ये सच है कि आगे क्वेश्चन मार्क था. ये सच है.
Oh, I knew it.
हाँ, हॉर्स रेसिंग पे कभी बैटिंग वगैरह आपको लगा कि हाँ
बहुत
ये-
डरता है. नहीं.
बहुत डरता है, ये नहीं करेगा. चलो बहुत बढ़िया. एक चीज तो साबित हो गई है, स्कोर्स आपके इक्वल हो गए, टाई हो गए, which means you're the perfect match for each other, just like the Sensodyne Clinical White, which is, you know, symbolic of the perfect match between giving you 2 shades whiter teeth and 24/7 sensitivity protection. Up, we're going to get on your personalities and it's going to get very interesting. So make sure you don't miss a second of what's coming up next on In the Spotlight. Welcome back to Sensodyne Presents In the Spotlight Season 2, powered by Nair in association with Panadol Migraine. And Priyanka, Deepam, beautiful match. बहुत अभी तक सब कुछ हंसते हंसते हो गया है. Now enough. Stop it. One of you needs to take the lead. Alright? आज जो है हमारे शो पे हमें ड्रामा चाहिए ही चाहिए.
Done है.
Done? Thank you. All right, okay. We have this game that we're playing next called the Smooth Operator. I've got some questions for each of you and आप जवाब दीजिए. हमें देखेंगे फिर आप में से सही मतलब सही गलत नहीं है एक्चुअली, इसमें ज़्यादा मज़ेदार जवाब कौन देता है. That person's gonna be the winner. All right? So whoever's gonna wanna answer first, hit the buzzer and I'll come to you. All right? चलिए, पहला सवाल है to both of you. The smoothest talker you know is the smoothest talker, not stalker. You know is आपके परिवार में से कौन है या आपके दोस्तों में से कोई कॉमन फ्रेंड आपका जो बहुत स्मूथ टॉकर है?
My friend Sanya.
Your friend Sana. क्यों?
Sanya.
Sanya, why?
Yes. Because वो बहुत आराम से हर चीज़ जो नहीं भी बोलनी होती है वो बहुत प्यार से बात करके काम करवा देती है.
अच्छा, जो नहीं भी बोलना होता है वो भी
प्यार से.
That is a very special
Yeah.
talent. Deepam, do you agree?
Sanya is very good that, by the way.
Yeah, to a certain
All right,
extent.
so we're going
yes.
to give it to
a certain
Priyanka
extent,
then.
yes.
Next सवाल आप दोनों के लिए. What is the smoothest pickup line आप लोगों ने कभी इस्तेमाल की है in your single days? एक दूसरे पे या generally दुनिया पे?
Give it to him.
Yes, Deepam.
I think your phone I think your phone is broken. It's missing something.
हाँ.
What?
What?
My phone number.
Hey. Well, look at that. She's blushing like a new bride. Please, you cannot tell me you fell for that line. Priyanka, was this used on you?
You know what? It was not me.
It was not you.
Someone else.
I wouldn't use such a cheesy line with you. Right?
इनके साथ क्या line use की थी आपने?
No, with her, I had to be all natural. With her, nothing cheesy would work.
Nothing
I had-
cheesy would work.
Yeah.
Nice. And that's honest. I like that as well. चलिए अगला सवाल आप दोनों के लिए. A situation you thought was quite tricky but ended up actually working out very smoothly. Yes, Deepam.
Our marriage event. Our wedding event.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's true.
क्यों जल्दी से बताओ.
I mean, we were here in Dubai, and all the arrangements had to be made in
That's true.
Delhi.
back in Delhi. So
Yes.
we were coordinating over phone. Every
Wow.
coordination, from our clothes to venue booking, everything happened over call. So we were very tensed. We flied to Delhi like just a few days before
हाँ
our
जी.
wedding.
हाँ जी.
So we were very tense, but it turned out
पर
everything turned out
वहाँ
well.
जाके देखा तो
Deserve this
सब
answer.
सही
Yeah,
था.
yeah.
Yeah.
चलो बहुत बढ़िया. So that's 2 points
Yeah,
to
yeah.
Deepam right there.
This you deserve.
अगला सवाल आप दोनों के लिए. So basically a celebrity who is known to be a smooth talker or a smooth operator. अगर आप किसी को pick कर सकते हैं to date, who would that be?
I can answer on her behalf.
Vicky Kaushal.
Vicky Kaushal.
Always, yeah.
Obvious choice. Deepam, if you were to pick someone for her, would you also pick Vicky Kaushal?
No, I thought it
Because
was
that frees up Katrina for you.
No, I thought it was Ranbir Kapoor for a long time.
Oh.
That
It
was a good answer.
now.
लेकिन अब उनकी
Kaushal
बेटी हो
over.
गई है.
Vicky Kaushal over Ranveer now.
All right. चलिए, इनमें से कुछ मटेरियल्स मैं आपको देने वाली हूँ. आपने बताने हैं मुझे इनमें से सबसे साइंटिफिकली स्मूदेस्ट मटेरियल कौन सा है. ठीक है. आपके ऑप्शंस हैं, इज इट आयरन, जेली, कॉटन, एल्यूमिनियम या सिल्क.
Cotton.
That's it, Priyanka. That's it. Take it home. You're absolutely right.
Wild guess.
Talking about smooth, कुछ चीजें हैं that guarantee smooth as silk skin, and that is Nair का hair remover. They have an awesome range of hair removal solutions like body wax strips, creams, sprays, and lotions. Nair is great because it helps reduce hair growth and leaves your skin smooth and hair-free for much longer than shaving. Plus, all their products are dermatologically tested, so they're safe for all skin types. So if you're looking for something effective and gentle, Nair's got you covered. Priyanka, congratulations on winning that. Yes. And as the winner, I'm going to let you take this next question, right? आपके करियर के बारे में बात करते हैं. Real estate में आपने जो dealings की हैं अब तक, what has been your biggest sale to date?
I have sold in the entire floor in Ras Al Khaimah.
That sounds huge. अच्छा एक चीज बताइए, आप दोनों आपस में travel बड़ा करते हो, घूमते हो a lot?
We both love traveling.
We try, yeah. We try to find time.
So what are some places that you recommend for other couples who are?
Maldives.
Yeah?
Maldives.
Maldives.
We
Let's go
had,
travel.
a lovely memories over there.
Yeah, we had a good time in Switzerland. Was
Switzerland
very good.
was good.
Yeah.
Of course, it's a very beautiful place.
Huh.
And Amsterdam was very chill vacation as well. Yeah.
But I think out of all, Maldives is something which is very much close to my heart.
Because?
We spent very good memories over there.
That was our honeymoon as well.
That is what I was looking for. चलिए, अब आगे बढ़ते हैं from these wonderful $1 million memories that you've made to our next game, which is $1 million mansions. हम आपको कुछ तस्वीरें दिखाएंगे. आप दोनों से पूछेंगे आपके estimates of the market value of those properties from all over the world, and you can give us your estimates in dollars, all right, USD. And जो भी सही आंसर के ज्यादा करीब होगा will be the winner.
ठीक है.
Okay.
Ready? चलिए, let's play $1 million mansion. Sky Mansion Penthouse Dubai. Deepam.
50 million.
50 million. आपका क्या guess है, Priyanka?
100 million.
Let's find out. Ooh, all right,
More
but
than that.
$204 million की ये property है. Wow, that's a lot. चलिए, Villa Del Mar, Bel Air, California. क्या कहना है आपका? Yes, Priyanka.
120 million.
$120 million. और आपका क्या कहना है, दीपम?
250.
चलिए, करेक्ट आंसर के बहुत करीब दोबारा प्रियंका. वेल प्लेड प्रियंका. आगे बढ़ते हैं एंड हियर्स अ ब्यूटीफुल बीच फ्रंट प्रॉपर्टी फ्रॉम फ्लोरिडा. क्या भाव लगाएंगे इसका आप, दीपम?
250 million.
250 प्रियंका कह रही हैं.
150 में करते हैं.
150 में फाइनल करते हैं.
150 में करते हैं.
Once again, $295 million के करीब आई.
This round was biased.
Biased. एक करीब है इनका.
I don't accept the defeat. She's from real estate.
This is true. But she's also the guest of the show. Next, चलिए, next one. France का ये beautiful countryside villa है. What do you think the approximate market value is going to be?
150 million.
230 million.
230 million. चलिए, let's reveal the actual property value.
Wow.
$750 million. Would you invest in a house like that?
I would if I had that kind of money. I would.
चलिए, Priyanka, this one goes to you as well. Next one, please. The Adobe Hut in California. It's that small home concept. बड़े प्यारे प्यारे छोटे छोटे घर होते हैं ये.
150 million.
150? All right. आप बोलें सर?
20 million.
20 million. दीपम का कहना है. चलिए.
Oh wow.
दीपम.
Wow.
Finally एक point आपकी भी हुई है. 1.1 million seems like काफी reasonable considering you've just come from 750 million, but that's still a lot of money.
Yeah.
ये तो ऑफ कोर्स आई थिंक दुनिया का सबसे मशहूर घर होगा ये, लेकिन मैं आपको बता दूं, आपको इसकी अप्रॉक्सीमेट करंट मार्केट वैल्यू बतानी है अकॉर्डिंग टू द लेटेस्ट इनसाइट्स एंड डेटा अवेलेबल.
So it would be around anywhere between 2 to 2.20 billion dollars.
अच्छा जी, ओके. बहुत
I
ही
think-
कंजर्वेटिव अमाउंट है, आई मस्ट से.
I think अभी वैल्यू ज़्यादा बढ़ गई होगी, तो I'll say 2.5.
चलिए, let's reveal the latest data that we have, which is approximately 4.5 billion
Wow, more
dollars. I mean, for the just to be a fly on
Wow.
any of the walls of that house and find out अंदर चलता क्या होगा. But yeah,
I won.
Right, exactly, and that is your prize. आप अगले जन्म में मक्खी बन के आएंगी एंटिलिया में घूमने के लिए.
I remembered the figure while it was, built.
Thank you both for coming in and thank you both for being such fantastic sports. You know, Priyanka, बहुत मजे से I've gotten to know you better and I'm so
Likewise.
happy we got to know you today. Deepam, you as well. बहुत chill, मजे की vibe है आपकी. You guys seem like a very happy, happy-go-lucky couple. So here's wishing you all the very best. आगे की आपकी जर्नी में इनको और भी डांसेस करवाओ, इनसे और जबरदस्ती रील्स बनवाओ एंड
Couple reels
है ना?
next.
Yeah, for all that he's gaining, all the free trips, because there's no free trips in life. Someone has to dance for
Have to
them.
cooperate on
I
this.
will.
Yes.
Let's go up and do that.
I hope you guys enjoyed coming to the show.
Oh, we loved it.
Had a
We
great
absolutely
time.
loved
Yeah,
it.
had a great
yes,
time.
Yes. Thank you so much for having us.
Thank you so
Pleasure's
much.
all ours. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Garishma.
चलिए, म्यूचुअल अप्रिसिएशन सोसाइटी हमारी कंटिन्यू रहेगी, लेकिन हाँ, we're gonna see you next week, same place, same time, right here on In the Spotlight with a brand new guest and of course a whole lot of games, fun and getting to know them even better.